Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. So this is Rohit, and please subscribe my YouTube channel if you like this video, because this video agenda is to learn basic to advanced like as a JavaScript in LWC. Okay, so let's get it started, and today I'm going to show you like how to work on string interpolation. Okay, so before that we have worked on the string concatenation, but concatenation is not a good practice because it's again and again taking some plus operator and operator overloading, something like that. Okay, so if you are using string concatenation anywhere, so please avoid with string interpolation. Okay, so this is the best practice to learn string interpolation. So let's get started without any further delay, and again I'm going to show you like this JavaScript session. And if you are new in this channel and also you don't know about the JavaScript, so please watch my playlist as a learn JavaScript using LWC. Okay, so here you can see like as a script tag. Under this script tag uh, we have to write something to print in console as well, alert, something like that. Okay, so first of all we need to write some variable like as a first name, something like that, and this first name contain as a Rohit, then where last name having some something like that. Okay, so I'm going to show you before starting this string interpolation. Okay, like as a traditional way, string concatenation. So how to work on the string concatenation? So here you can see like as a already defined two variable like as a first name and last name. So how to print as a full name? So console.log. Okay, you have to write like as a this single bracket and double bracket based on your requirement. Okay, like as a first name. Okay, this is the first name, just copy this variable and paste it here, and again you have to write some plus operator like as a last name. Okay, and last name this one, and just plus again. Plus is nothing but it's a concatenation operator. Okay, last name, and again you have to write some plus because concatenation always completed by the plus operator. Okay, so here you can see full name, something like that, full name, then colon, and you have to write like as a first name. Sorry, just copy and paste. It's just a second. Yeah, so just copy and paste it here, first name, then plus, then some space, then plus, and last name. So it's taking some time. Again and again you have to write plus operator repeatedly. Okay, so this is a not good practice. So I'm going just you have to write execute this code. So here you can see like as a in my console, like first name is Rohit, then last name is Kumar, then full name is Rohit Kumar. So this is the first example as a traditional way. Okay, and how to avoid this concatenation things? So with the help of string interpolation we can avoid these things. Okay, so now again I want to take some number like as a where a equal to 10. Okay, and where b equal to 20, and now I want to I'm going to show you with arithmetical operation like an addition in with the help of concatenation, like string concatenation. Okay, so how to do that? Just console.log and like as a first number. Okay, then again you have to write some plus, then a plus, then some space between the a and b number like as a last number. Then you have to write some plus operator again. Then you have to write like as a addition, sorry, addition is equal to, and you have to write some plus, then this bracket a plus b, something like that, and execute. So first of all we need to clear this and execute. So here you can see my second line printed like as a first name first number 10, last number 20, then addition is 30. So here you can see. Okay, so it is coming from with the help of some string concatenation or number concatenation. Okay, so this is the traditional way. So now I'm going to show you now string interpolation. So how to work on the string interpolation, like as a string interpolation. Okay, so how to avoid this plus operator again and again. Okay, so here you can see, like as a I already defined these variable like as a first name and last name and a and b. Okay, so I want to use these two variable under the string interpolation. So how to do that? So first of all we need to write, and always remember, once you using string interpolation, so it's always comes under the this backtick and this dollar and this bracket. If you print some value as a dynamically, so always comes under these things all. Okay, now just remove this thing, and now console, I want to console some expression like as a first name last name. So how to do that? Like as a my first name is Rohit Kumar and last name is Rohit Kumar, and now the full name is Rohit Kumar, something like that. So how to do that? Okay, so just use this backtick and this backtick like as a my first name is, okay, then you have to put like as a dollar and this bracket, and you have to write your variable name. My first name is this one, and last name is, again you have to write like as a dollar and put your variable here. Okay, and my full name is something like that. Okay, and how to print this full name? Like as a dollar, then you have to write like as a this one, copy and paste it here like this one, and again just copy and paste it here. So it's coming as a dynamically like first name and last name. Just clear this console and you have to write, I'm going to write execute this code. So just run, and here you go, you can see this one, this last line you easily understand, like first name is Rohit, last name is Kumar, and my full name is Rohit Kumar, you can see here. Okay, so this is the way work on the string interpolation. Now I'm going to show you with the help of number how to work on the number. Okay, so just you have to write like as a console dot log, then like as a first number, then colon, and again don't use this single quote, always write as a backtick, and you have to write like as a dollar, then like as a, and second number like that, then dollar and give the b, and addition is you have to write like as a dollar, then this bracket you have to write like a plus b, this expression. And now let me clear this and execute this, and see the last line, like as a first number is a 10, second number is a 20, and then addition is 30. Here you can see this is the first number, this is the first number, this is the second number, and this is the result like as a addition 30. So this is the way how to work on the string interpolation. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and I'm going in upcoming video you can see this type of things like as a prototype, and call the API under the JavaScript, and there are so many like as a string method, array, and also query selector. Okay, so you can see these things in upcoming session. So please watch my JavaScript playlist. So if you are new, okay, so thank you guys, we will meet soon. So thank you for your time. Okay, bye bye, take care.